Do you ever feel like your workspace isn't functional enough for your projects? A quality workbench can make all the difference, giving you the organization, stability, and convenience you need for your daily tasks. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best portable workbenches available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these workbenches, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Would you like a versatile tool that adapts to any project at home or in your workshop? The Pony Workbench is a 2-in-1 solution that combines functionality with convenience. This portable bench easily transitions between a sawhorse and a workbench, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 500 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, it's built to handle heavy-duty projects. The quick-release clamps and bench dogs included make securing materials simple and efficient. Its aluminum frame provides exceptional strength and durability, standing out among other models on the market. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 30 to 35 inches, ensures a comfortable working position for any project, whether you're in the garage, garden, or even working on uneven ground. This flexibility lets you customize the bench to suit your needs. The package includes everything you need: EZ bar clamps, large and small bench dogs, and safety straps, all designed to give you maximum flexibility and control. If portability is key, the foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, whether in your car, shed, or a small workspace. The simple folding mechanism allows you to switch between projects without hassle. The Pony Workbench is an essential tool for anyone looking for a combination of functionality, strength, and convenience in a single product. It's an investment that will make your projects easier and your work more efficient. Have you ever wished for a workbench that combines versatility, portability, and durability? The WORX WX051 Workbench is the perfect solution for anyone in need of a multifunctional, easy-to-use tool. This workbench effortlessly transforms into a sawhorse or a sturdy workstation in just seconds, eliminating the need for complex setups. It also features a built-in storage shelf, keeping your tools organized and within reach. One of its standout features is its compact, foldable, and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and store. When folded, it's only 5 inches deep, so it won't take up much space in your workshop or vehicle. Despite its slim profile, this bench is impressively strong, holding up to 300 pounds as a workstation and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. For added stability, it's equipped with locking legs that ensure safety during heavy-duty tasks. The package includes 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, allowing you to securely hold a wide range of materials and shapes. With a work surface of 31.5 by 25 inches and a height of 32 inches, this bench provides ample space to handle your projects comfortably. And while it's robust, it weighs just 30 pounds, making it practical and easy to move around. The WORX Workbench is a reliable, portable, and functional tool, perfect for projects at home or in the workshop. It's a must-have for anyone looking for a dependable and convenient workbench. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. If you're looking for a practical and versatile solution for your DIY or woodworking projects, the TLGREEN 7-in-1 Workbench is a fantastic choice. This multifunctional bench combines 7 tools in one: workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, creeper, dolly, and hand truck, all while supporting up to 330 pounds. One of its standout features is its user-friendly work surface, which comes with a removable tool tray and quick clamp holes, perfect for precision work. Whether you're a carpenter, craftsperson, or DIY enthusiast, this bench is designed to meet your needs and even makes a thoughtful gift for occasions like Father's Day. Its compact and portable design makes it incredibly easy to use and store. With no assembly required, you can set it up in just seconds, saving space in your home or garage. It also includes a handle and towing holes for effortless transportation. The adjustable height adds even more flexibility, ranging from 20.5 inches for scaffolding and platforms to 31.5 inches for workbench or sawhorse setups. Built with a sturdy aluminum leg structure and steel frame, it offers excellent stability and support for any task. Additionally, this mobile workbench features heavy-duty wheels with 2 brakes, making it ideal for use as a dolly or creeper. The design is floor-friendly, protecting delicate surfaces while adapting to uneven terrain. This is a complete, durable, and highly functional tool that caters to a variety of needs, whether at home or in the workshop. Convenient, portable, and efficient, it's the perfect companion for any project. If you're looking for a mobile and comfortable workspace, the GEARWRENCH Mobile Workbench might be just what you need for your garage or workshop. With an adjustable height range from 35 to 48 inches, it's designed to help you work efficiently and comfortably, no matter the task. Built with a sturdy metal frame and a powder-coated finish, this bench is made to handle daily use with ease. The 20 by 30-inch tray offers plenty of space for your tools and materials, featuring compartments and slots to keep small parts organized and within easy reach. It can support up to 125 pounds at the center and 65 pounds on the edges, ensuring stability and reliability for various projects. Thanks to its 3-inch wheels, moving the workbench around your workspace is smooth and effortless. The surface is protected by a durable EVA mat that resists solvents and keeps your tools secure while preventing scratches. For added safety, the corners are reinforced with protective guards to avoid accidental damage or injuries. This workbench is a must-have tool for anyone who values practicality, durability, and comfort in their workspace. Its smart design and high-quality materials make it a fantastic investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. If you're tired of not having a reliable and versatile workspace, the Black & Decker WM225 Workbench is exactly what you need. This multifunctional workbench isn't just a workbench, it can also transform into a vise, sawhorse, or tool stand, adapting to a variety of tasks in no time. Built with durable steel, it can hold up to 450 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty projects. The design includes adjustable jaws with swivel pegs, providing a firm and secure grip for materials of various shapes and sizes. This ensures your projects are stable and precise every time. One of its best features is its compact and practical design. Measuring 30.2 by 6.8 by 24 inches and weighing just 28 pounds, it's easy to store and transport without compromising functionality. It also comes with 4 accessory pegs, allowing you to adjust the workbench to fit specific tasks. This workbench is a comprehensive solution for anyone in need of a sturdy, reliable, and multifunctional workspace. Its robust and adaptable design makes it an essential tool for projects at home or in the workshop. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect portable workbench, or if there's another portable workbench you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.